What's up, Loc Nation? It's your girl Kenyatta here. Welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be diving into how to use clips the right way while retwisting your locks. So if you'd like to see how it's done, keep on watching. I started at the back of her head and doing this retwist, and whenever you're doing a retwist, you always want to start at the very back of your head and work your way toward the front. The reason I say this is because the front part of your head will be the last part that you retwist, and that's where you want to focus a lot of your attention so that your retwist looks very neat and very crispy. So I'm going to go ahead to the second row, and I have a little bit of product. I have beeswax here on the back of my hand. People do know that I use beeswax, but you can use whatever you want. I always stress this. To start this retwist is to wet the hair. I'm wetting the hair because the hair is dry. I washed it yesterday, so it dried overnight. The next thing I'm going to do is go ahead and get this hair out of the way so I can go ahead and start this retwist. So the first thing that I'm going to do is go ahead and put a little bit of product on her hair, and I'm twisting to the right, okay? I am twisting to the right. Okay, so one quick tip: when you are retwisting, you always want to retwist your hair in one direction. If you have locks and you are retwisting in two different directions, this is a #1 way, one of the top 5 ways to experience breakage. Not tight at all. See, when you're retwisting, you just want to retwist to the root, just like that, not pulling, just to the root. Some people like to go a step further and try to like make it really tight, whereas though it's literally pulling. That is not the way that you want to retwist your hair, okay? You want to just retwist to the root. Just like that, and it shouldn't be pulling at all. Okay? Now is where what I call vertical clip placement comes into play. As you can see, I have about 6 locks in this one clip, okay? And these are just the first 2 rows. So I don't want to try and squeeze this last lock into this clip. It may be just too much for the clip. You never want to place your clip right there to hold it. Like if I wanted to place this clip, I don't want to put it right there to hold that at the root. That is a no-no. You want to go ahead and place your clip about 1 inch down. You can include another lock to stabilize the clip. See, I have it between those 2 and just put that one right in the middle, just like that. Okay, now you can see from where the retwist is to where the clip is not directly on the root. There's some space here. I have about 1/4 of an inch there between the root and the clip. All right, and you see how these clips are stacking up? This is what I call vertical clip placement. Now, there's no set amount of locks that you put in a clip. You just do what works, do what's comfortable, okay? As you move up your head and you're placing more clips into your hair, because you use a lock at the back, like you use a lock to anchor, so to speak, this lock that you will add into the clip, okay? So that means you're going to be adding more locks into the clip as you move up. All right, so I'm going to go ahead and add this one into here, just like that.
You don't know. Bad man. Yeah. This body baby, oh. This body baby, oh. Yeah. It's a bad man thing, yeah. Bad girl make you wine to the bass, nah. Give me that thing where I go feel relate, nah. The way you back it up, the way you bust in the place, nah. Oh, yeah. Steady on time, yeah, don't be late, nah. Said I'm in love with you, and I'ma give you anything you want, and I'ma give you anything you need. Bad man, here, wine I'm doing. Said I'm in love with you, and I'ma give you anything you want, and I'ma give you anything you need. Bad man, here, wine I'm doing. Damilohun, tell me what you want to know. Me, I no go lose control. Bad man, I feel your flow. Wine I'm slow. This one no be private show. Damilohun, tell me what you want to know. I go give you all and more. Bad man, I feel your flow. Wine I'm slow. This one no be private show. Your friends they tell you say I be nobody. Been searching all around, but I found nobody. Nobody. Call on me, I go give you all of me. Baby, make you follow me, I go give you all of me. Omo Sean say she moving to the baseline. The way she a wine make a man wanna press the wine. She a gypsy girl, she a fine like the sunrise. The way she move make a man cry. I'm feeling her so I want it more. Damilohun, tell me what you want to know. Me I no go lose control. Bad man I feel your flow. Wine I'm slow. This one no be private show. Damilohun, tell me what you want to know. I go give you all and more. Bad man I feel your flow. Wine I'm slow. This one no be private show. You don't know. Vkillz, bad man, point instrumental, even your one time. It's okay. Bad hunting will take you there. Pull up. Bad man finna gone away. It's okay. Bad man finna take you there. Pull up.
It's Vkillz.
Original, puffing on me high grade, sipping on me liquor. Girls them a come, them a want, them a take her. Bad man, me a come in, me a wanna take her. Girls them a come, them a want it on the nigga. I steady sipping on my liquor. Then I tell her me she give her, never trust another nigga. I say she give me on the nigga. Say she feeling on the nigga, say she want another nigga. Who's that? Baby, tell me who's that? Look back, baby, make you look back. Move that, where you move that. Touch that, baby, me just wanna touch that. Enter me radar. Now you they mash up the place. Enter me radar. Cause you are what's in me brain. The only special one for me. Now you be the only one I see. Anywhere I go, I wanna be. Can you feel up my fantasy? Let's have a good time. Baby, I'ma make you sweat. Let's have a good time. Baby, I'ma make you sweat. Pour me out, say she give me, pour me out. In a yard, say she give me in a yard. Man a wine, say she give me dirty wine. Man a grind, say she give me dirty wine. Say, girls them a whining, them me grinding, I don't think so. Any man, them me looking at the think so. Girl, your body say your money while I sing so. Man a bad, man a bossing at the thing so. Girl, pour me yard, say me pour me yard. Me na pillow wine, say she give me filler wine. Say let me the villa wine, say she give me film wine. Man a wine, say she give me for me yard. Say enter the radar. Now you they mash up the place. Enter the radar. Cause you are what's in me brain. The only special one for me. Now you be the only one I see. my bed.
Thank you guys so much for tuning in and watching my video. I really do appreciate it. I hope that this video helped you get a better understanding of clip placement and how to use your clips when you are retwisting your locks. Comment down below and let me know what you think about this video. Share this video on your Instagram, your Facebook, your Twitter. Subscribe. Turn on your notifications so that you never miss a video from your girl. Y'all know I rock with y'all the long way, right? You better know it. It's your girl Kenyatta here. Peace.